Hello everybody, this is Amtrak known. I was like, after I done with my live stream on my Team Amtrak channel, my actual main channel, I play on my airplane and look at this. I don't know if y'all see it. Oh wait, it can't. If this arrow gets stuck at the, I don't even know what happened to the other one. Oh, right there. I'm slow. I'm so slow. We got two airplanes got stuck in there. Yeah, I was throwing that blue one up there. I was like trying to get it. I'm doing this by myself because my cousin not over here. Yep, hit a Taco Bell right there. Hit it with a Taco Bell. Hit it with taco. Yep. Taco Bell that lose my mind. Up and down, left and straight. Taco Bell that's my mind. Oh my god. Oh, that was a good landing. That was a good landing right there. Bo did a landing of a life. There's a few damage right here. That's a train. Yeah, that is a train. Yeah, there's some damage right there. So, ain't no god. Is that trash? I mean, let me hit with a goddamn pole before I be pissing off with this shit. But my butt tripping with this raggedy ass thing. Watch. This ain't gonna do crap. Man, that ain't gonna do crap. It's gonna be raggedy. That's gonna be. It's gonna be so raggedy that thing will be start bouncing. Boy, all the burgundy others. I'm about to throw that airplane out there too. See how they can go. But I just rather the stick over here, so I can use that. And hold up. Oh no, man, he ain't coming in. So it's stupid. I'm just holding my phone in one hand and holding this other hand. Calm down, buddy. Oh shit. I might have to throw this at that. It's raggedy. It's so raggedy that the thing can't even stay up there. This thing stay up there because it's so raggedy. Wow. Look at that little side slip. The hell it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah. You just rotate to the left, and here the worst thing. It is so like at nighttime. It's impossible to see these airplanes. And at nighttime, it's so impossible to see these airplanes. They don't have lights on it. Boy, I forgot the farm over there. I forgot the little farm over there. Boy, my airplane just flew. It flew, but it flew very far. And guys, I finally got my video. I finally got my YouTube channel back online. I can finally post on my Team Amtrak channel. So yay! Yeah, I have to deal with 4 YouTube channels. I have 4 YouTube channels, and I might make a 5th one. I have Team Amtrak Gaming. This is Tristan Known. This is Amtrak Known. I can't forget because my old display name was Tristan Known. But since I want to copy all my other channel, I just want to name it Amtrak Known. I better change this on this. I better change the this channel display name to Team Amtrak Known. And then last I got Team Amtrak music. I just do music on that only. I might do a few little posts. I might gonna build a little bit of short videos of stuff. I know this video gonna be long. I might be out here playing my airplane for about, I don't know, about 40 minutes. And Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year, Amtrak fans. Like and subscribe to this video. And go like and subscribe to my music channel and my gaming channel. And go like and subscribe to RBX Braden, cause he need the help he need. And y'all be wondering why you always be saying RBX Braden. Go subscribe to RBX Braden a lot. Well, I will tell you in the next video, but I don't know. Do you want me to I thought he did a video of himself like he is my friend. That's who RBX Braden is. He is my friend. So hold up, let me do this airplane. It just crashed, man. Instantly. I want to see this thing do a loop. Yeah, because that thing half broke. Like this ain't broke right here, so it might could do it horribly. Loop. And oh shh. Really? Now come on now, brother. Well, now how the heck the airplane got stuck up there now? That is crazy right there. The plane got stuck up there that fast. And I might make another short video about making a new sound. It's probably gonna be me laughing. Right now on my game channel, at this moment, I'm just doing a Roblox video. I'm not doing any Minecraft right now, unless y'all want me to do Minecraft. Go comment down below on my gaming channel to see if y'all want me to do Minecraft video and Roblox video, and maybe some airplane videos and trains and video simulator videos. Comment down below if you want me to do that. All right, let's do this. Bruh, come on. What in the hell, bruh? He just got stuck up there. But I only had only about one pump airplane. I don't even know where that at. Oh, that's the fixed one. That's the right one. That thing doesn't break. Hold up. Alright, let me teleport to it. Yeah. I tell you guys I can teleport. Watch this. I can teleport, watch. I can tell you I can teleport really fast. See? I can teleport. I'll fly the airplane from over here. Oh my god, please don't tell me that thing got stuck in the goddamn roof. Please don't tell me that thing got stuck on the goddamn roof. And I thought Bo just came by. That's the UPS driver. But this gonna get me so bad. Scott, dog. Yeah, they're gonna get me. I was trying to test it to see does it actually gonna hurt. Like, can it stick through the thing? But I said you can't stick through the thing. Hold up, let me go get a shovel or something. Boy, I forgot about the raggedy. I forgot about that. I forgot about that raggedy ass thing up there. Straight up forgot about that raggedy ass thing. Hold on, I'm trying to get that. How would you get a rat? Yeah, it's raggedy. Watch. What? Flap. Oh shit. Ouch. It fell on me. Okay. Just taking this up with. Yeah. My bad. I was trying to do a goofy laugh. Y'all want me to do a goofy laugh? Okay, let me do it. I can do another one anyways. I can do a lot. I can do lots of goofy laugh. Like I guess this one. I guess y'all can use that as a sound. I guess y'all can use that as a sound right there. I don't care anymore. I don't care. Y'all use it as a sound. Like this one. Hoi, 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 hoi. Something wrong here. I sound like Goofy brother. I sound like Goofy twin brother right there. What the heck, man? That is corny. Oh, let me do another one. Let me do another one. Let me do another one. Now that is a little bit corny right there. Straight corny. And I got a package coming through. So I got back. My gosh, man. They're just so funny that this shit, like Bo, it's just so funny that Bo just like they looked up and see the two punk ass airplanes stuck up there. Like, look, you see that gray one and that white one right there. Oh my god, that is so funny. And he gone now. He gone. He's on out of here. Yeah, he's on out of here. Let me do one more goofy laugh before I end this video, or just keep on throwing my airplane around. Let me think of one. Like the best one. Okay. What is this? That was good. That was good right there too. I think that's funny. Alright, it's like I don't even know why. Wait, what? God, look at it. Look at this. What? That's the good. Wait, that's the good engine version of it. That's the good engine version. That's the good ending version. I thought it might be the same thing. Like, y'all know what happened to the age of I don't know. Am I saying that right? I'm trying to get the camera. Yeah, right there. Age of flight 214. Yeah, you're like when the pilot went too low, they went too low and they trying to get the airplane up, because they realized they were flying too low for the descent, and then the whole tail section hit the back of the hit the island and it crashed. But honestly, I did not expect that. I did not expect that right there. Like, but I'm about to turn this crap off, man. Cause I ain't gonna lie, but like, why did Mika Gaming copy my same idea video? They're just corny. Like, my game. come on now, bro. It didn't, the volume didn't even work. The heck. Yeah, this is my Concord right here. Well, guys, I guess it's time to end the video here, I guess. Well, this is Tristan. No, I can't say Tristan. I meant, this is Amtrak known signing out. Like and subscribe, guys.